Hey folks, this is Jennifer from What If Wellness, and I am here belatedly to do a nature nudge. Normally I do them at noon on Thursday, but at noon I was just about to be shuffled into an outpatient surgery gig. And that's what I'm going to talk about tonight, because it actually has to do with last week's nature nudge, where we talked about intention and deciding how you want to feel in a rainstorm, where instead of being surprised or frustrated that you are getting wet in a rainstorm, being resolved to allow yourself to get wet, to get soaked. And then if you don't, that's okay too. Or resolve to make choices that will keep you dry in a rainstorm. You have all sorts of ways of choosing your resolution and then living into it. Well, yesterday I was talking to a client, and I was asking what the core issue is in her group, the people she leads, and because one of my jobs is to serve leaders to make their jobs easier and more effective. And she said that one of the things that she's dealing with at a core level is people feeling helpless, or feeling like the world is happening to them and that they can't choose the direction they really want to go because they're having to go whatever direction the world is forcing on them. And I said, wow, I bet I could help with that, because I teach a lot of stuff about intentionality and blah, 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 choosing what you want, living into that, actually envisioning the outcome that you want, all that good stuff, right? I teach that. That's what I do. Anyway, right after I said that, I said, oh, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get what you need to you by Friday, because I have this outpatient surgery gig, and last time they did what they do. They drugged me so much that I couldn't perform, I couldn't think, I couldn't do anything really for almost 48 hours. I was over anesthetized. I'm not really sure how to say that. I was over drugged. And it wasn't fun, and it wasn't effective for what I wanted, but it got the job done for the actual surgery. But here I was telling her about self-empowerment and not having to wait or do something because the world is deciding how my life is going to go. And I heard myself say that, and I thought, oh boy, here's an example of where I can live into what I teach. Isn't that cool? So what I did was I rethought it. I thought about, first of all, how I want the experience to go, how I really want to feel at the end of it, who I can be if I get the outcome that I want instead of the outcome that they will do to me, right? So I thought about what I wanted, and I envisioned that, and I started getting excited about that, and then I started asking, what can I do to help make that happen, other than just visualizing it, and also choosing that this is how it's really going to go, stating it instead of just saying, maybe I can have this, but choosing that's how I'm going to have it. So I thought, okay, I can talk to the anesthesia guy, or girl, but turned out to be a guy, and be clear about what happened last time and what I want for the outcome to be. So I did that, and I also thought, well, gosh, even if they do something more than what I really want, what can I do on the other side? How can I still get the outcome that I want, even if they give me too much medication? And so I thought, I'm first of all just going to choose that no matter what happens, I am going to take the steps that I can to change the situation. So I decided to drink water afterwards, maybe even some caffeine to help move things up and get my brain going. And then also to drink or take some sort of cleansing herbs, and I had just gotten this nice fresh thing of organic cilantro the night before at the grocery store, so I was like, wow, that's perfect. That's really cleansing for the blood. So I will make a smoothie with that in it, and that will help clear whatever might still be stuck, and I'll also allow myself a nap, but not too long, so that I don't um I and them what I feel the spondylitis and what I normally would like myself so through more glass I saw the bug for had with during the opportunity I personal into it personal choice made where self do this water there.